Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the indicators that I use to day trade and to swing trade. Now, as you can see here, we've got Tesla on a 1 day, 1 minute chart, and we're going to go into the studies I have right now. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got 5 moving averages and a VWAP. Okay, now here, let's maybe put this in order. There we go. So first of all, I've got my blue line right here. So this line right here, that is the 9 moving average. It will be the one that's closest to the price of the stock usually, and it's one that you see when it has these little pullbacks, it usually bounces off of this one. Now, if you already watched the moving average video, I'm just wasting your time right now. I'm sorry, but so I use a 9 moving average, a 20, a 50, a 100, and a 200. Now, to put these on your chart as well, all you have to do is go back to Edit Studies, type it in here, type in moving average, and then here we've got quite a bit here, but just go ahead and go for the exponential one. So let me just go ahead and look up exponential, there we go. So just click on this 5 times, then you'll have 5 different moving averages, and then you need to go ahead and edit them, put the length, and then also put the color that you want. So whatever color that you have is the color that's going to show up on the screen, and then you'll know, okay, so that's the 9, 20, the 50, 100, and 200. So right here, 9, 20, 50, 100, and the 200. And then I also use the VWAP. Now, the VWAP, you see that this looks kind of different if you looked at the VWAP in the last video, where it was 3 different colors. Now, I changed it to 3 lines that are white, that are, I don't remember what these are called, but basically 3 white lines with spaces in between them. Now, the reason I have that is because it is different from all the moving average that I have on here. And if I have 3 more lines, I have to get different colors so they don't get in the way of these other lines. It's just too many lines. So, just to make it look cleaner, I chose this style, white VWAP. Do the same with the upper and lower band. That's all you need to do. Don't touch this at all, because if you touch this up here, then it completely defeats the purpose of the VWAP. Because if you're moving around these lines, like, everyone who uses the VWAPs uses these inputs, so you want to do them too. Okay, now, this is what I do on the day trades. Okay, the day trades, this is how it looks like. Now, I'm going to go to my swing trade study. Okay, and usually I use the swing trade on the 180. Now, what I have here is a 15 length moving average, and then a simple moving average of 200, which is this orange line. Ignore this right here. Let me just, there we go. Okay, there we go. You see, there shouldn't be any dots on your chart if you just have these 2. So I have a 15, length 15, and a length 200. Now, the reason why is because for swing trades, you don't need that many lines to kind of figure out a good spot to enter. So a pretty good. Okay, so if we see over here, see this is the 15 moving average. You see this day it goes above, and then when I see that the price is above the moving average, and then the moving average starts pointing up, then that is a positive sign. It's like, okay, it's uptrending. So I would probably, for a swing trade, probably buy in the next day when it pulls back. See, I would buy in here, set my stop loss somewhere down here, and then probably take profits at the SMA right here, which also acts like a resistance versus like support. See here, it was being a support here. Then if we move a little bit over here, there we go, resistance. You see how it comes up, and then comes all the way down, and then gets completely rejected mostly off of the earnings, but it happened right when it was intersecting with the SMA. Same here. Yeah, so this is what I use for swing trading. Usually buy when it starts moving upwards again. Here, there's probably a resistance here. So, if on Monday when the markets open up again, it's trending up here, it could be a swing trade, but it is on a pretty decent downtrend. But if it does break it, you could probably say I want to sell it at the SMA because that's a resistance. Not to mention all the other all the other resistance and support levels that you can draw on this chart. But yeah, so those are the two different setups I have for day trading and swing trading. I'll go more into swing trading in later videos. I'll tell you exactly how I figure out my positions and where to put my stop losses and everything like that, and how to become as consistent as possible when it comes to trading the stock market.